If you have been thinking about monetizing your content, building an additional income stream, or expanding your digital marketing efforts, then you are in the right place. In today's guide, we are going to explore Awin, one of the most trusted affiliate marketing platforms used by influencers, bloggers, content creators, and businesses worldwide. Whether you are completely new to affiliate marketing or already experienced and looking to scale your results, this walkthrough will guide you through the entire process. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's get started. The first step is to visit the official Awin website. Once you arrive on the homepage, you will notice an option in the top corner to log in if you already have an account. However, if you are new, the better option is to click on the Get Started button. This will take you to a new page where you will see different paths depending on your role. For the advertisers, for the content creators and influencers, for affiliate patterner, or for agency, simply select the appropriate option according to your role. Now, let's talk about main feature of Awin platform. First, if you go the Solutions tab, the first thing you will find is Advertisers option. The Advertiser option on Awin is designed for businesses that want to promote their products or services through affiliate marketing. As an advertiser, a company can create and manage its own affiliate program within the platform, setting commission structures, defining performance goals, and providing promotional materials such as banners, links, and product feeds. For advertisers, it offers multiple plans designed for different needs. The Access plan is ideal for beginners, the Accelerate plan works best for teams, and the Advanced plan is suited for large enterprises. Awin gives advertisers full control over how their campaigns run, including selecting which publishers to approve, monitoring traffic sources, and adjusting payouts based on performance. Next, we have Content Creators and Influencers section. The Content Creators and Influencers section of Awin is tailored for individuals who produce online content such as bloggers, YouTubers, social media influencers, and website owners, allowing them to monetize their audience through affiliate marketing. In this section, creators can browse and join various advertiser programs that match their niche, gaining access to unique tracking links, banners, and product feeds to promote within their content. For this section, you can also sign up with Instagram account. By choosing this option, you can quickly create your account by linking your Facebook account, since Instagram is connected through Facebook's system. This connection enables Awin to manage relevant data securely and ensures that your account is properly linked for affiliate tracking and performance monitoring. Next, we have the Affiliate Partners section. In this section, publishers, also known as affiliates, manage their partnerships with advertisers and run their promotional activities. In this section, affiliates can search for and apply to join various advertiser programs that align with their audience or niche. Once approved, they gain access to customized tracking links, creatives, and campaign resources that they can use to promote products or services across their platforms, such as websites, blogs, email newsletters, or social media channels. The section also provides detailed performance insights, including clicks, conversions, and commission earnings, allowing affiliates to monitor and optimize their campaigns effectively. Lastly, we have the Agency section. The Agency section of Awin is designed for marketing agencies that manage affiliate programs on behalf of multiple clients, advertisers. This section provides agencies with centralized access to oversee, optimize, and scale several affiliate campaigns from a single platform. Agencies can handle tasks such as recruiting and managing publishers, setting commission structures, monitoring performance metrics, and ensuring campaigns align with their clients' marketing goals. Now, if we move to Resources section, first we have the Help Center of Awin. The Help Center section of Awin is a support and resource hub designed to assist users in understanding and effectively using the platform. It provides a wide range of guides, tutorials, FAQs, and troubleshooting articles for advertisers, affiliates, and agencies. Next, we have Advertiser Directory. The Advertiser Directory section of Awin is a searchable marketplace where affiliates can discover and explore available advertiser programs. It allows users to filter and browse brands based on categories, regions, commission rates, and performance metrics. Then we have Agency Certification. The Agency Certification section of Awin is designed to recognize and validate marketing agencies that demonstrate expertise in managing affiliate programs on the platform. Through this section, agencies can earn official certification by meeting Awin's standards, completing required training, and showcasing strong performance results. The Market Insights section of Awin provides users with valuable data and analysis about industry trends, consumer behavior, and affiliate marketing performance. It offers reports, case studies, and insights that help advertisers, affiliates, and agencies understand market dynamics and make informed decisions. By using this section, users can identify growth opportunities, optimize their strategies, and stay updated with the latest developments in the affiliate marketing landscape. Then there is Case Study section. The Case Study section of Awin showcases real-world examples of successful affiliate marketing campaigns run by advertisers, publishers, or agencies on the platform. By reviewing these examples, users can learn proven techniques, gain inspiration, and apply similar approaches to improve their own affiliate marketing performance. Then, there is a new feature called Product Releases. The Product Releases section of Awin provides updates and announcements about new features, tools, and improvements added to the platform. It keeps users informed about the latest developments, such as enhancements in tracking, reporting, or user interface changes. There is also Podcast section. The Podcast section of Awin features audio content where industry experts, marketers, and professionals share insights, trends, and strategies related to affiliate marketing and digital advertising. These podcasts cover topics such as campaign optimization, industry updates, success stories, and best practices. Then there is another new feature called Power 100. The Power 100 section of Awin is a curated list that highlights the top-performing advertisers and publishers within the network. It recognizes partners who demonstrate outstanding performance, innovation, and growth in affiliate marketing. Lastly, we have the FAQs section. The FAQs section of Awin is a part of the Help Center that provides quick answers to commonly asked questions about the platform. Overall, Awin is a user-friendly platform packed with features that support affiliate marketing at every level. It provides access to a wide range of programs, detailed reporting tools, and flexible solutions for different types of users. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your affiliate business, Awin offers a solid foundation. If you want to gain a deeper understanding of the platform, it is always a good idea to check external reviews. Platforms like Capterra and G2 offer real user feedback, including pros, cons, and comparisons with other tools. This helps you make an informed decision based on actual user experiences. From creating your account and applying to programs, to generating affiliate links and tracking your earnings, the platform covers everything you need. It simplifies the process while still offering advanced tools for optimization and growth. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable affiliate marketing network with global reach and flexible features, Awin is definitely worth considering. It is suitable for beginners, experienced marketers, and businesses alike. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.